Hello, this is Shamim. I am working as a senior web developer in Microsoft Limited. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how can we manage shopping cart, how can we enable disable our shopping cart feature, and subsequently I will show you how can we add currency converter from your default currency to any currency of any countries. So in this tutorial, as usual, I'm going to take one of our script as a sample to demonstrate the idea and how things to be done, and this same methodology functionality will be applied to any of your script purchased from ICRA. It not necessarily has to be the same site that I am demonstrating, but it will apply for any website or web script purchased from ICRA.com. So here I choose my B2B template, and in our B2B template I am going to show you how can we enable shopping cart features and how can we disable shopping cart feature here. So you can see add to cart button to be published here. If you want your shopping cart to be enabled, there should be a button called add to cart here. So we have many tabs, and these are the products, and one left panel should be appear here. In this area I would expect a new add to cart shopping cart panel to appear. So in order to do, let us log in to our administration control panel, and under our administration control panel we will enable our shopping cart feature so that our user can see and user can buy product from your website. So I log in successfully. So I will go to our global setting area. You can go global setting by right upper corner here, and under our global setting area there is an option called payment and billing tab. So it resides on the first page of first tab, and this is the legend tag where the shopping cart on off feature is there. So this one is if we want to show shopping cart in front, so I have to select allow and then save, and disallow means you are hiding your shopping cart from your website. So I just select allowed and save, and I'm going to refresh our home page front end area where I would expect a shopping cart feature to be enabled. Yes, you can see a nice left panel box appears. So this is the shopping cart panel, so it automatically expand and maximize and minimize. So this shopping cart button appears. So add to cart, add to cart. So I can see 4 add to cart button, but I cannot see the any add to cart button on the fifth option. So I add one add to cart. So if I click on add to cart button, the left panel comes up, and it is showing that I am adding new items with my cart. I can edit, I can delete, I can check out. So if I go to check out, it shows the number of the item I have purchased, foods and soft drinks. So I can change my quantity, and price will automatically be set. So unit price is 249.48 USD. So I select two items, I say one items in two quantity, and I am going to place this order, and I am going to show how can we create and generate an invoice. So this is an item information, an order invoice information, and if you logged in already, so this is grand total. If you are logged in already, you do not need to log in again. So just check out and it will create a nice invoice for you. And this is the invoice, system generated invoice, and an Ajax is trying to send email to you or to the client who are going to order for. And sometimes email takes a little bit time if your SMTP or mail server is slow, but sometimes it go very fast. So now it's sending mail, and if a user wants to make payment of this invoice, so he can select pay to drop down, and he can pay through any of your preferred web payment method. So currently the invoice is set as an unpaid, and if you select PayPal to checkout, bank, cash, whatever method you can set earlier, so it will the invoice can be paid through your preferred payment gateway. So this is an invoice 2. Invoice 2 is to whom this invoice is created, and invoice for an item information, and if you want you can print this invoice for your future records. So as you can see, we enable our shopping cart option and we place a sample order. And now let's go back to our home page, and we would like to see why our fifth item does not get a shopping cart button. You can see first 4 products gets a shopping cart button, but fifth item, this item has no shopping cart button added, because our currency ZAR is has no conversion rate. So I copied this product name, and I am going to get our B2B and business, and I am going to see our selling item. I am going to find the selling items, and my currency is set as a ZAR, an African currency. So I am going to search this product. I would like to show you what currency we have set and why the shopping cart button is not available for this product. I search my selling lead, and this is the selling lead which contain a ZAR currency and which missed our add to cart button. So I go to edit mode. I am going to show you which currency is set for this product to be sold, and offer details. So this product has a currency called ZAR, and this is the tab where we have added. So we will go to our request for proposal tab, and RFP, request for proposal tab, where the currency is there. You can see the currency local is set as ZU underscore ZA, which is a ZAR currency currency short name, ZAR, and this is an African currency. And my question is here, why ZAR is not, why the ZAR currency does not contain add to cart button. So now we go to our billing area and we select currency converter, and we will see have we add our ZAR currency with our default currency conversion rate. Look at this, on left hand side this is our default currency, and right hand side currency code is ZAR. So it means we have not added ZAR currency conversion rate yet. Let us go back to our other tab, on currency conversion tab, which is under your admin panel, billing, currency converter. And you can see on the left hand side we have the default currency called USD, and an equivalent conversion rate is published on the right hand side. So there ZAR file, zs.zar file is no longer here. You can add ZAR currency, and if you add ZAR currency in equivalent to US dollar, it will appear, an add to cart button will appear. But since ZU underscore ZA currency is not there, that's why add to cart button does not display it. So I am going to select a currency which we have already added. So there are a list of the currency we have already added. So look at this, ZH underscore CN currency I have added already. So let us change back to CH currency, I mean China currency, and because these currency we have already set with our global currency conversion rate. So ZH underscore CN is already added to our currency conversion table. So that is why I am going to change this currency as ZH underscore CN, because ZH underscore CN currency is listed on our currency conversion table. So now I am going to see this product will be changed from jar to CNY currency short name, and we can see a add to cart button will appear for this product. You can see add to cart button comes up because this currency is available, this currency conversion rate is available with our currency conversion table. That's why we have add to cart button displayed. On the contrary, you can add a ZAR conversion rate and without changing this currency. So if we go to our other tab, you can see there are some product has add to cart and some product has not add to cart. EJB has no add to cart. So in that case, you can add to cart by adding your currency to the currency conversion table. So now we will do, we will disable our shopping cart feature as disallowed. It means I do not want anybody to order from our website. So I'm going to disable our shopping cart feature from our global setting area. So it means I do not want user to make order. I just want user to see what we have. Okay, so now I am going to refresh this page. And add to cart button and left add to cart bar, add to cart panel gone, and just we are viewing price only, no add to cart button is there. So add to cart button is not appearing anymore. So this is how we can enable or disable our add to cart features, and I hope you already understand how can we bring our add to cart button by adding our currency to the global currency conversion rate table. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it helps. If you have any question, do not hesitate to email us. We are open to answer your question. Thank you. Thanks for giving us time. Thanks for watching this tutorial.